hwɛ ene mani abre nyamia ni mani abre mani bra abre nyina ese some of us we the media ye hypocrite ye nyaatwo ye nkanokre ena obi deserve abaso body ye mbono ena obi fata ni ma pa ye mfa mmano na ye hypocrisy a lot of things yan fata ena ye I'm call for my pages so me dey some sugar Fila Sports TV on YouTube subscribe to on any come of free yan kanokre after say Blasters qualify for the World Cup Benjimen Asare how a blaster keeper or they qualify for the World Cup no media personals media start can say I Benjamin to me that standard Benjamin to me na World Cup Benjamin to me you see nti enkofa JD na ho fa nemra sa easy akama keeper fire burn you what do you mean there mo kan bi no man is say no Ghana media na yetiti ye kan bi no man is say no fire burn you Tama na Benjamin koda Madagascar na akwa na wo infa Tama okoda Comoros no wo infa e say obi na mpoto man fi no bi obo man Dabi this time around you need out we are not going to allow anybody Benjamin Kone ye 10 onko dam ye 10 you should not start any campaign here ade as Benjamin timi nkoda World Cup je fa akwa o me dey the day a Blasters team you go where was this guy where was him the day a Blasters team you go where was this guy Sana eko yi ye ko fe na ki Williams be yi Felix Afenaja free ma akwa na bo ba say Benjamin the Haas is the best goalkeeper for Blasters so proud aka any campaign you people will campaign bien fa any campaign people will campaign bien fa you fa Benjamin never got that World Cup no what are you telling me say ya Benjamin team got that standard wo de oya baima bio na media se kala se nka beti bi twem olele okoda World Cup no or that Real Madrid Samia G Dama Blasters no about Real Madrid no wonder Real Madrid instead of us to encourage these players these local players no more money no more $50 maybe and you are seeing them how bring that what the bema can media so better tree this time around who didn't sell for back can obia makwa mo bi be din sell for we mfata obia fata omo no e be ye keeper place in the team say penasem bunu a you are telling me say Benjamin Timi na World Cup na Afcon qualify na World Cup bonu na dey see at the club would you be ma kasa media we so for ben you or for nya too much obia no o be kasa bi nko de ba bia JD no Blasters aba o me ko World Cup na mbra ye ko bo Afcon qualify na fa no ko World Cup ni bi that's the principle